Hello, my name is Hernan Costa, and this is the creative assignment for the fourth week. Now, the way I done this, I was more experimenting with the gravity and the physics, so I wasn't too bothered about the graphics this time. So what I did is, I made this little tank that's in the middle, which is pretty much just a circle and a rectangle, which is translated to the middle of the screen, and I'm rotating the cannon according to the mouse position. The way I'm doing that is I'm mapping it on my X position of the mouse and then rotating the rectangle for that. So yeah, according to the angles that I need to. For the bullet to be fired, that was a bit tricky because for me to apply the impulse, I had to have a vector that would be pretty much the the start position of the cannonball and the end position of it. So I had to go and create a cannon tip vector and map that vector to always be changed according to the position of the mouse as well, because I can't, when I rotate it, it's just rotating according to, I can't really get that position, so I had to do this rotation manually using sine and cosine. So that's what I'm doing. The same for the start position of the bullet. So when I move it around, the start and the end position of it is actually mapped to the tip of the cannon. So the bow as well, it's firing when every time that it stops, it's being refired. And as you can see, if I click on the sides of the screen, the gravity changes. I can change it from to each side. The idea being because I want to port this to the Android, so whenever I tap on the screen, it will change the direction of gravity. If I tap in the middle of the screen, gravity is set to 0, so it's like it goes floating. And the same for the position of the cannon. Later on, when I post it to the Android, I want to use it to the accelerometer. So the way it's now should be pretty straightforward. Now the box is just for me to do a few tests and stuff. So you can see if I turn off the gravity, they go everywhere. Um, and I can play with gravity and throw them around and stuff. So yeah, now another thing is I'm creating the cannon is actually just a primitive, because it creates a class primitive this drawing either a rectangle or a circle according to what I want, according to the type that I pass on, because the bullet is actually a body. The reason I didn't create them as a body as well is because if I did, they would keep on colliding on each other and I wouldn't be able to make it rotate and look like if it's a cannon. Now that's it very much. Now as I said, later on I want to carry on implementing more stuff like audio, or even make the audio, or like the boxes and stuff, change and moving according to the audio. Okay, so thank you, bye.